Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Bishar Model School. Hope all of you are in good health and you might be feeling relaxed after giving your exams and getting your result cards. Now what we are going to do today we are going to show you how to fill your English notebooks. Okay, this is the card cover of your notebook, right? Card cover hai. Here what you have to write your own name. What will you write here? Your name, class 5, section, whatever is your section, you will write the section here. Then subject, of course this is English notebook, this is English subject, ENGLISH, English. Then you have to write classwork plus homework. At the place of serial number, don't forget, if you want to write the serial number, you have to write the serial number with pencil, not with pen, because the serial numbers keep on changing with the passage of time, right? English classwork plus homework, and of course here we are going to write the session, and the session is 2021 to 2022. Done with this part. Now what we are going to do now is this, the inner stamp of the notebook. The inner stamp of the notebook. First what you have to do, you have to write your serial number, then here you have to write your name. After name, what you are going to write here again, your class 5, along with it your section. Then is subject. In subject what you are going to write? English classwork plus homework. Branch boys 3, session 2021 to 2022. Clear? Now teacher's name, madam. As you don't know about your teachers, but you can write the word madam only. Then as its term written, here you have to write midterm 2021. Now this is the part you are not supposed to write anything here, but what important thing is here, see the important instructions. These are your copies condition marks. Copy के marks होते हैं. Marks will be deducted if कॉपी इज़ विदाउट प्लास्टिक कवर. अगर कॉपी का कवर नहीं है, देखिए मेरी कॉपी का कवर है, सी दिस इज़ द कवर ऑफ दिस नोटबुक. इफ़ द कॉपी इज़ विदाउट कवर, मार्क विल बी डिडक्टेड. इफ़ हैंड राइटिंग ऑफ स्टूडेंट इज़ पुअर, मार्क विल बी डिडक्टेड. मिस्टेक्स करेक्शन इज़ नॉट डन, मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. And work is incomplete, marks will be deducted. So you have to gain marks, you are not supposed to lose marks. Okay, now next page. This is the first page, and you know very well, on the first page what do we write? We write the course content. But today we are not writing the course content, so what you have to do, you have to leave this page empty. Skip the first page, leave the first page empty. Don't write anything. Clear? Now this is the page that we are going to start our work with, and from these boxes you can see very well what we are going to do. We are going to do the handwriting. For this, the very first thing is to write the date. I am just writing 4/21, and why I am writing 4/21? Because I don't know on which date you are going to do this work. Clear? Then you can see the margin line. See the margin line, double margin line. Then I am going to give the heading of, I am going to give the heading of the handwriting. Okay, सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूँगी, हैंडराइटिंग की हेडिंग दूँगी. HAND, hand, and there is no gap between hand and writing. Handwriting is one single word. Handwriting. ठीक हो गया? Okay जी. After this, my next task is that I am going to write ABC, and first I am going to write the capital letters. Ready? Okay. Print writing, not joining. A, B, C, D, E. How many letters are there in English alphabets? In English language, there are 26 letters. How many letters? 26. How many I have written? 5. After E comes F. F, G, H, I, J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. After J comes K. K. After K, L. After L, M. After M, N. After N comes O. O के बाद P. Then Q. Then R. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. This was what? This was capital. These were capital letters, right? Now we are going to write the same letters in small. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Done? Okay. Now, after the completion of the work, what we usually do, we do the page presentation, right? Whichever design you want to make, you can make. I usually like this one, so I do this one, right? My page is done, and then you have to draw the double ending line. With this, what we have done, we have finished our introductory class. See what we did first. First we filled the outer cover of the notebook. You have written your name, class, section, English, classwork plus homework 2021-2022. After this, we have filled the inner stem, name, serial number with pencil, name, class, section, English classwork plus homework, branch boys 3, session 2021-22, teacher's name, madam dash and madam dash, midterm 2021. फिर मैंने आपको कॉपीज़ कंडीशन का एक्सप्लेन किया है. आपकी कॉपीज़ के मार्क्स होते हैं, डोंट यूज़ योर मार्क्स. आफ्टर दिस वी हैव स्किप्ड द फर्स्ट पेज. हमने जो पहला पेज था वो एम्प्टी छोड़ दिया. और ये क्यों छोड़ दिया? हमने ये पेज छोड़ दिया फॉर द कोर्स कंटेंट. एंड देन व्हाट इज़ द फर्स्ट रिटन टास्क दैट वी हैव डन टुडे? वी हैव डन द हैंड राइटिंग. डेट लिखी, हेडिंग दी, उसका डिज़ाइन बनाया. Then we have written capital letters with marker and we have written small letters with fountain pen. I hope this is clear. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.